How to edit video in Windows 10 Video app. Windows 10 includes a built-in video editor called the Video Editor or Photos app. Here's how you can edit videos using this app. Open the Video Editor. Search for Video Editor or Photos in the search bar and open the app. Import your video. Click on the plus New Video or New Project button. Select the video you want to edit from your files and import it into the editor. Edit your video. Trim and split. To trim your video, drag the sliders at the ends of the video timeline to select the portion you want to keep. Click Trim to cut out the selected part. You can also split the video into different segments using the Split tool. Add text, music, and effects. The video editor allows you to add text, music, filters, and 3D effects. Explore the options available in the toolbar to add these elements to your video. Adjust speed and volume. You can change the speed of the video and adjust the volume using the options provided in the editor. Preview your changes. Click on the play button to preview your edited video and make further adjustments if needed. Save and export your video. Once you're satisfied with the edits, click on the Finish Video or Export button. Choose the video quality settings and save/export your edited video to your desired location.